Hey, what's going on YouTube? Got an interesting video today. So this particular seller had a very interesting listing. I think they had some coins listed, and I just saw this that they had this in their store. I'm like, man, this looks like too good to be true. So this is not coin related. I don't even know if I'll release this video, but I just thought it was cool stuff. So this particular seller is in my state, which is always good. So got it very quick. And I guess let's see what's inside. And I got some newspaper. All right, let's open up the first item. So, all right, cool box. Definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit. And oh, here it is. So this kind of caught my eye. I'm not really into jewelry, but this item is by Montana Silversmiths. So anything silver, I definitely into. And I don't know how I found this on the search, but this particular company, it's a U.S. company. I believe this stuff is like real silver. I would hope it is. But stuff like this online sells for around 50 bucks. So what I'm getting is I think all these items ended up being like $3 a piece. So with shipping, tax, and everything included, it was like 53 bucks for 13 items, I think I'm getting. Anyways, however the math works out, I did it prior to starting a video. It's about $3 per item. So something like this is basically getting my money back on the entire box. So let's see what else is going on. So it's that time of year, right, where it's like gift time. So here's a Kelly Waters money clip. Retail 55. Again, I don't know anything about a Kelly Waters. And it just says Kelly Waters on it. So doesn't have any other stamp. Doesn't say it's stainless or silver of any sort, but whatever, it says $55 retail, so I'm sure someone will like something like this on eBay, or maybe I can give it away as a gift for, you know, whatever. But again, something like this, pretty sure can sell on eBay for 20 bucks. All right, let's check out the next item. Alrighty, so it looks like some sort of set. It's a keychain and a money clip. It has some patina on it, or just dirty hands touching it. But this is pretty heavy duty. Like this ain't no joke. Okay, it's interesting. So I have like a little like jewelry cleaner that my wife uses to clean her rings and her earrings. You know, it's one of those subsonic things you put the jewelry in and it just kind of shakes it. So those will go in there, get cleaned up. Let's see the other item here. Looks like the same thing. Yep. All right, $15.95. Get a little hair, some fingerprints on it. Again, like, you know, people like that kind of stuff, or can give it as a gift for Christmas. This caught my eye too. So Colibri is definitely a brand name I'm familiar with. I've actually purchased their butane to fill one of my SD DuPont lighters. I didn't know they made like separate stuff. So this is like a all-in-one, like I guess like a little utility knife from Colibri of London. So again, for $3, like I don't know, I think it's cool. Like seriously, if I was at a garage sale and all these items were $3, I would grab them in an instant. I'd be like, wow, these are cool. Let's see the next ones. Oh, here's a bunch of. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these. These are like made in China. Yeah, looks like little keychains. So not bad. Like I said, I might give them as gifts. It says Keychain $7.95. Are they all the same? So I don't know who put these retail prices on it. Like if they were in a store before, or if it's from like a flea market. But let's see if this black one's a little different. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you ever bought something like this, where it's just like a lot of stuff? This one's a little different. So, you know, people still have keys. So keychains, I think, are cool. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, 5 of the one type and then 1 of the other. And there's more stuff in here. Let's see what this is. I mean, even these like little like velvet boxes are like worth $3, even if they're empty. So, this is cool. What is this? It's like a knife. All right. So, you know what this reminds me of? Like, I don't know if you guys are old enough to know this, but in the mall there was like this place where you can buy like little trinkets like this and then like engrave someone's name on it. So they would charge like cheap money for the actual item, and then they charge like $10 for the engraving. So you'd be like $20 all in. At least that's how it used to be. Who knows what that stuff costs nowadays to get done. I mean, I haven't done something like that since I was like real young at the mall. All right, see what's in this little box here. Looks like some cufflinks. So Calibre cufflink or Cufflink. Shouldn't there be 2 of them? What? Or is this just like a pin? Oh, it's a tie tack. Oh, man, it's been a while since I dressed up, but yeah, that's something you put on your tie. I mean, it's made in the USA for $3. That's pretty cool. So that'll sell. Something small, easy to ship. Let's see what's in this one. Feels like another Calibre box. All right, a Calibre. Looks like a money clip, I think. Yeah, it's a money clip. Or it's like a... Oh, it's a tie bar. I keep getting these things mixed up. So again, something you put on your tie to... You guys ever tie a tie and like the bottom part's too short and doesn't fit through the loop anymore? So you use this to kind of hold the whole tie together. So that's pretty cool. Never owned one of those, but I'm sure someone will appreciate it. Let's see if this is the same thing. Oh, it's Keychains. So the box is a little janky, but that's okay. And oh, here's the Calibre Keychains where you can actually like get them engraved. This is like really nice quality. I mean, I'm sure it's brass, but $5. Let's see what they have on it originally. I can't even tell. Let's see. Well, originally it was $29.95. And there seems to be 2 more of these in here. So $5. Yeah, this is pretty cool stuff. I like it. I think if I take the time and list them individually on eBay, I mean, this is cool. This is nice stuff. I mean, obviously I'll take these tags off, but I mean, that's the original retail. Like I said, the boxes are janky, so someone had this in search. Oh, there's one other little item here. Wow, what's this? Cool little box. Sterling silver, gold electroplated sterling silver ornaments. Fox Lake Jewelry, $30. What is that? That's definitely a money clip. So again, it's like there's a spot there to like monogram your name. Pretty fancy box. Well, that's pretty old. Money clip, but then... So I don't know if this was like bought from a Goodwill back in the day or if like a resale shop, but there's like an old tag right here. So this thing's pretty old. So anyways, guys, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Like, again, I got this from a reseller. That's a lot of items. I think I get my money back on this, because this is worth $50 all day long, and then the rest is just, you know, whatever. So again, stuff like this takes time. Let me know what you guys think, though. Did you ever like buy something like this? Again, I don't even know if I'll release this video, but I just thought it'd be cool to share. Like, I don't know if you ever bought like lots of stuff, and again, I don't know how I found it, like searching silver, but obviously it was the silver jewelry, and that's what initially caught my eye. Again, I've never bought this stuff. I've never traveled to Arizona. I went to like one of those shops, or Montana, but obviously this is from one of those type of places. So I think it's cool. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like, share, subscribe, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Bye-bye.